Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Since it's Tuesday, you know what that means. It's time for another weekly stamping collab, and Judinka Nail Art chose our theme. These are all the manicures that were prepared. Check the description box for links to everybody's video. Let's get started. For my base, I chose these two Barielle polishes, Falling Star and Dancing Till Dawn. To stamp, I'll use images from these two plates, HK05 and H. La Cosedora's Back to Basics. I'll use Maniology's white stamping polish called Bam White. I apply the polish on the plate, use the scraper card to remove the excess, and pick up the image with the stamper. Part of the image is missing on this side, so I'm going to try that one more time. This time I'm going to try to do it more quickly. It's not perfect, but I think it'll be fine. I'm going to use the same polish I have on as a base to fill in the design. Let's flip over the stamper to check our work. That looks pretty good. I follow the same steps for this image. While I'm waiting for the polish to dry on the stampers, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of foil glue on this nail. It goes on white, and once it's dry, it turns clear. Now that the foil glue is dry, I can go ahead and stamp the images onto the nail. That looks so cute. Now I'll seal it all in with my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. I had originally planned to stamp the polka dots on all the blue nails, but I'll stamp it on the thumbnail just to see how it looks. It seems it's going to be a little bit too busy, so I think I'll leave it just like this. Let's do some cleanup and apply a shiny top coat. Here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it turned out pretty cute. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!